How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or GBoard sound on Keypress on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Then from here, tap on General, Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on GBoard. Next, tap on Preferences. Then we scroll down to Keypress section and tap on Sound on Keypress. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here you can also change the volume on Keypress. You can make it loud or soft. And tap on OK. So here I have switched it on. If I now go open up my keyboard, you can see that when I tap on the key, it will make a tapping sound. And that's it. If you don't like the sound, you can switch it off, like so. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.